Hello everyone. In the post-COVID scenario, many automatic and touchless appliances are designed to limit the exposure to the virus. So I have designed 10 modules in my project. Let's start. This is my automatic gate opener. Whenever it senses that a car is nearby, it allows the car to enter, and the second IR sensor over there senses that car has left and closes the gate. Whenever a car comes back, it again senses it and close the gate. So this is my laser security system. In this I have used one laser diode, one LDR sensor and one buzzer. You can see, like, if somebody comes to steal something and tries to climb our wall, the buzzer will automatically buzz like this. My next thing is LDR control light, in which my light will get automatically on in when the LDR sensor senses night. I'll turn off my tube light so that the LED strip over here lights on like this, and when I'll switch on my light, it will get off automatically. The LDR sensor is sensing darkness and will turn on the light like this, and now it automatically turn it off. You can see it's on and now it's off. By using LDR sensor, this whole project works. This is my automatic hand sanitizer. In this I have put one IR sensor over here. As it senses my hand, it will automatically dispense the sanitizer like this. You can see that the sanitizer is coming out, and then we can sanitize our hands. This is the back side of my house. Let me open the wall. So here are two sensors. One is MQ2 gas sensor, which can detect smoke and LPG leakage, and over here you can see our fire sensor. So let me show you a small demo. I have taken this, which produces smoke, and when I'll take it close to it, it will detect the smoke and will turn on the buzzer. You can see. So I could not show LPG leakage, but it can also sense that and can start the buzzer. Now let me show you fire sensor, how the fire sensor works. So this is my fire. If I take close to it, it will sense it. So its range is very much. You can see. When I'll take close to it, it senses. By this way this system works. So the next project is door opening and closing system. I have placed a servo motor which in reality will control the latch of the door. So this is the remote through which I'll control my servo motor and it will open the latch. So I have to, first the door is not opening if I'm trying it hard, but once I press this button, the servo motor will allow the door to open. So this is the door opening and closing system. This is my automatic bin. In this there is one IR sensor which senses that we want to throw something and operates our servo motors like this. The next project is automatic overhead tank. So we have to turn the motor on and then it will automatically, I have fixed the point over here, and it will automatically switch off when it reaches the desired water level. Let me turn on my button. So I have turned on my button and motor start working, and now it will turn off automatically. So I have used one water sensor which I have placed in here. It will sense that the tank is full and it will automatically turn off our motor. This is my curtain opening system, in which two motors are kept at a side and there are ropes connected at the end, and I'll turn on the motors with my TX transmitter remote, and it get command and will open the curtain. So I show how the curtain open. As you can see, the curtain is opening, and this is how it works. My next project is Bluetooth control lights. So I have already opened my application through which I'll control my lights. So now I just connect it with my HC05 module, Bluetooth module, and now it is connected. I have given it command to turn the light on, and you can see the light is on, and now the light is off. On, off, on. You can see the shadow over here, the light over here. I have make this using my Arduino Uno board, one HC05 module, one relay board, and this LED strip which I have placed in my home.